Sam's teachers, Miss Watts. I just wanted to share a really cool tool for tech that I learned that might make your online teaching a little easier. I know we don't have access, all of us, to document cameras, and maybe we don't want to use our phones or screencastify. We don't want to be on the video, and we don't want the time restraints of certain programs. So this is a really easy way where you don't need any technology except your laptop to record what you're doing on a website on your computer so that students have access to your voice and the tutorial. So I recorded one for my class on how to upload a STEAM video or a STEAM assignment into Schoology. So what you would do is on your keyboard, if you have Windows 10, you hit the Windows key down at the bottom with the Windows symbol and the G key on your keyboard, and it prompts you with this gaming menu. You might see over here a screen that prompts you to say yes to gaming. Say yes, and then this bar will come up. If it doesn't come up, it means you have gaming turned off in your settings, and I can talk to you personally if you want explanations how to turn that on. Down here is the record, so you hit the start recording, and the microphone needs to be on so they can hear you. And then up here will be a little device showing you your time and the stop button. When you're done recording, so I showed my kids that you go into your course. I showed them how to access your course if it's not on the dashboard. I showed them how to move a course up to their dashboard. And then I showed them clicking into this class, where the assignment was, how to click on the submit button, because Schoology has a couple steps to submitting something more than Classroom does, to go to their resources, their apps, install their Google Drive, see all their Google Drive documents. Where's the one he wants? We'll just submit anything from him. And then we'll click import, import file, and then showing them how to import that and where it shows up over here in their documents. So this is a really easy resource. And then once you click stop, if you hit Control G, or the Windows symbol and G again and bring up that menu, all of your videos are stored in the little folder called Captures on that gaming bar. And you can see all your videos here are saved to Captures. If you want to access it from your desktop, you just go to this PC, Videos, and Captures. Okay, thank you. Bye.